Hello, I'm Diane Reed. Today's story is Eloise New Bonnet. Let's go, go, go! Hello, I'm Diane Reed. Today's story is Eloise New Bonnet. Best of the autumn, Calvary Connight. Kate Thompson's Eloise. I'm Eloise. I am 6. I live in the Plaza Hotel on the top floor. I have a dog. His name is Winnie. Here is what I like to do. Put sunglasses on Winnie. Today the sun is shining. Spring was sprung. I put my sunglasses on too. Nanny says, Eloise, you need a new hat. Lampshades make a very good hat. No, Eloise, Nanny says, you need to find a real hat. I know where to find a real hat, I say. I will visit the kitchen. Chip's hat make a very good hat. No, Eloise, Nanny says. That hat is too tall. I know, I say. I will visit room service. Room service make a very good hats. No, Eloise, Nanny says. That has no broom. I say, I will visit the bill captain. Bill captain has made very good hats. No, Eloise, Nanny says. We need a hat that is a pretty color. I'll visit the lobby. There are hats everywhere. I'll try on a lady's hat. It is a pretty color and has a bird on top. Perfect, I say. Nanny and the manager do not agree. Please give the lady her hat back, Nanny says. Sorry, Eloise, I have a surprise, Nanny says. She hands me a box. Inside is a new hat just for me. Oh, I love hats. Thank you for reading me today. Bye.